Oh, you missed it. See, I left that loose because I knew I had to go in there. How about these? These are not loose. We tighten them up.
Tighten them up.
I used a little wrench when I did it. You on your timing mark?
What'd you say?
Are you on your timing mark?
I can't tell. Let me look.
Appears to be off.
Maybe actually look in the light.
You have light?
No, it's not. It's off.
So you're way the hell off.
Yeah.
Well, who timed it?
No one's timed it.
Oh, that's the problem. There it goes. We just had equipment failure, air filter.
Oh. Oh, that was the pop.
Compression. Suction.
It didn't suck it in, did it?
What this?
Yeah.
It disappeared.
Oh, it just popped out. Oh, okay. We're gonna.
So we know we got compression in the motor. Motor works in reverse as well as forward.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Flashlight. All right. What kind of flywheels are these?
Stock.
Stock. Go find top dead center. See up there? Start getting close. Go look for your mark. See a mark right there?
Yep.
Yeah, a little dot right there, full of oil.
Yep.
That's top dead center. We know it's top dead center because it's up here. And we know it's compression stroke because it had what?
It had suction.
It had compression.
Like a compression. The opposite.
Now, if you didn't have the valves in there, how would we know?
You'd look at the tappets.
That's right. What would the taps be doing?
They'd both be up, right?
No, they'd both be doing nothing.
They'd both be doing nothing.
That means they'd be down. If they were doing something, that means they're up. That means you're not on the compression stroke because the valves are open. Okay, now we already put the what in there?
The timing cup.
There you go. You know, it's wiring. What's this rat nest here? We're not wiring the bike like this, are we?
Fuck yeah, we're gonna wire it like that.
Hey, we're not supposed to do that. We're walker friendly on our language around here.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's a family show.
Some part of it is. Now that Fred left,
Oh yeah. Drunk dad.
we don't talk about what he did with cigar. We don't know what he did with cigar. It's a secret.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now, this goes in there. Little timing thing goes right over here where all these marks are at. So don't put it over there like that. It goes over here.
Show that again.
See the lines, see the things in the background there? That's how you do your timing.
Mm.
Put your screwdriver there and you pop it forward. So, the wire is in the way, so you put it in there like this to get past the wire. Then you rotate it where you want it to be once you get it in there all the way. I like having a little extra wire up here just in case you screw up and shorten it too much. You got a little bit extra hanger just in case you needed it.
Gotcha.
Not that anybody would ever do that on a Harley. Nobody would ever screw up their wiring on a Harley.
No.
Possible.
Highly unlikely. I guess would be the best way to say it.
Yeah. Or it could be the other opposite way around. Highly likely.
Highly likely.
Yeah, that'd probably be closer to facts. But okay, so you give yourself a little bit of clearance. Now this one gets a little bit closer to the wire over here, see? So you move it out of the way. Now I marked this with a black felt tip so I know it's been played with. I marked on the back side what we did, which is what we did.
We put timing in it.
What did we do?
60 degree
Kickstart.
kickstart only. 6500.
35 degree lead total.
35 degrees total. 6,500 RPM.
Rev limiter.
Rev limiter.
Not 6,500 degrees in advance.
Yeah, sorry.
That'd be a lot.
Yeah.
Even for me, that'd be a lot. Okay, so now we can move this thing back and forth, see? Okay, then you got this thing right here. Now you make sure these wires don't touch anything important that would cause an arcing condition, either to them or yourself. White is hot. We do need hot. We don't need our VO switch connected though. We definitely don't need to go on the ground. We need this one though. You know what happens if we short it?
You got to buy another one.
Probably lose a module, yep. Hey, you're standing on my down. You're standing on my tools down here.
Sorry.
Can't get help anywhere.
Can't be help anywhere, yep.
Okay, this is what color?
That is bull. That's ground.
It's black.
Black is ground.
What color coordinate this time?
Yep.
Okay, we go to ground. Is that a ground?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what color on the next one? Orange?
No, we do
Black
red
or
and red. Red to white.
Do red? Red to white?
Mm-hmm.
Not white to red?
Yeah, just red to white.
Okay. Right there, like that?
Mm-hmm.
Now don't touch it to what?
Don't touch it to any of the wires.
Don't touch it to the ground because well, the ground of the bench goes through here.
Oh, gotcha.
Assuming that's not a good powder coat. Okay, now over here you got a wire. Now, if we did this right, it should come on.
It's on.
It's on. See how the light goes off?
Mm-hmm.
So you back it up a little bit. You got a lot of play in this module. See how it boggles all over the place? So I push it this direction up and that way. Takes all the slop out. You take your screwdriver and put a little bit of torque on it. Not much, just a little. Okay, now you go in here and you rotate it. Now the reason I push it that way is because when I rotate this thing, it pushes it that way. Okay, so now, see how I went up a little bit more?
Mm-hmm.
You go real slow. See how the light just went out right there? So you tighten it down right there. See how hard that was?
Mm-hmm.
Now, go over here. Back our motor up. Oop, did you feel it go backwards?
Yeah, the red light just turned on.
The light's on again?
Yep.
That's because somebody moved it. Okay, you gonna let me know when the light goes off?
I'll tell you right now. Off.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come over here. What we got?
Top dead center.
Pretty damn close, about half a degree off.
Half a degree off.
Can you live with a half a degree?
I hope so.
Okay.
Because I don't want to be sitting there kicking this thing over and over again.
So that's how you double check to make sure you did it right the first time. If it's not where it belongs over in the other hole over there, that means you turned this too much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's where it was locked in. Let me go back and make sure those are good and tight. Are these good and tight?
Good and tight?
They're good and tight. Okay, now this here is in the way a little bit.
Squeeze it in
So
there.
you can either squeeze it in there or you wrap it around here.
Probably wrap it around. There you go.
Or you can do whatever you want.
Shoot.
Mario can figure this all out by himself. But usually I just kind of do like that. I like a little extra. Now you should have some kind of a clamp that holds it over here so it doesn't get all of your exhaust pipe coming down through here. Assuming you have an exhaust pipe on this bike.
Yeah.
Make sure your wires are disconnected. Yeah, they're disconnected. Okay, so now, if you got a little clamp right here, you would hold that right there. And then this here, you go underneath the pump, like this. Burn up your backbone, go around the front. And you should put your coil right here, or you get your coil right over here. That's how it goes.
Gotcha.
Now, this is working with a VO switch. You know what a VO switch is? It's your vacuum advance. So, if you put some kind of a fitting over here in your manifold, which you do not have, to give you a vacuum source, then you can hook a VO switch up and you get a vacuum advance, which will make it run better in the low and mid range. But you don't like any of that because you don't have a VO switch in this bike.
Nope.
And we didn't put a fitting in your manifold. Now, if you want to put one in your manifold, you have to drill a hole through it right over here and put one in there. Now, these manifolds aren't really very thick, but you know, you got to get in there someplace. So you can either go through the adapter or you can go to the regular manifold. But, you're not getting it because you haven't said you want it yet. It's going to be more work to do it, so
Yeah.
that means we're probably not going to do it. Now after I'm all done, I don't like people tearing up my wiring, so I go ahead and do this with it. So at least it's harder for you to rip it out of the bike. As you're carrying it out to your vehicle with my sore back. Because everybody seems to have a back problem when it comes time to move a motor around.
Oh yeah.
I know I have a back problem. Because I wind up moving all the motors around here. Okay, now after you're done with all this stuff, what do we gotta do next?
Put the plate back on. But
No.
oh, we gotta put the cam.
Plug up the oil hole.
Yeah, plug up the oil hole. Gotta put some goop on there.
Goop? What do you need goop for?
Or some sort of anti-seize.
Why?
Nope. Okay.
Tighten the damn thing up.
Just tighten the damn thing up.
If you have a bad case, then you gotta do something with it. If you got a good case, you can do nothing. That's not the right size either. You have a stock replacement plug which has a big hole in it. Okay, now if you strip this out, you're gonna have a problem. So make sure you don't strip it.
Thank God.
So I didn't over torque it. Okay, we probably should keep stuff from falling inside the combustion chamber. So we have two plugs right here.
Yeah.
They plug up the hole.
Yes.
We also had anti-seize on the thread. Probably didn't see that.
Yeah. Just anti-seize.
I don't know what we're doing for a motor mount yet.
Don't know what we're gonna do for motor mount yet.
You have to carry it by yourself. Can't put a cherry picker on it. Okay, is that the right torque?
Nope, because it's just in there just to hold it in there.
They're tight. Okay, so now the motor's all sealed up, except for what?
The air intake. Oh, the exhaust and the air intake.
Well, the intake's on.
Intake's on. Got that. Exhaust flanges.
These are open. That's open.
That's open.
No, that's the feed. That's important. The return's plugged. This is the feed. Feed's more important than return because return's going out, feed's going in.
Okay.
So the other thing is you put tape over it. You probably don't know how to do that. That's pretty hard to do. Here, somebody stole my roll of tape. They didn't put it back in the right spot again. And I got a whole case of this. We can waste it if you want.
Oh, sweet.
So usually what I do is I take it and I go like this. Make sure it's wrapped around and then you squeeze it off. Fold it back. That'll keep most everything out. Now this doesn't really go anywhere, it's a breather. So as long as you're not upside down pouring water into there, it probably doesn't matter. We know how you're going to be.
Pouring upside down, pouring water.
Yeah, I figure you're going to do that.
Absolutely.
Your tequila's going to slip one night.
Yeah.
It's going to wind up in the motor.
I'm gonna relapse and just pour beer in the freaking air
There you
intake.
go. So we'll plug that one up too, just to make sure you don't get it. Now, these here, you have to just keep your junk out of there.
Okay.
You can stuff rags in here or whatever, or just leave them open. Right now this one's closed, and this one is probably open on the exhaust. If you want to know which way it is, you go like this and see what happens. Wasn't blowing back too much. That means the valve's open a little bit. If you had that plug out and you blew in there that was blowing air out, you know it was definitely was open. Oh, you missed one. Missed your vent line. Now that goes right into the case, so that's important to be plugged. As you're driving down the street with your motor in the back of your truck,
Yeah, you don't want that to be.
all the dirt in the back of your truck's blowing in your motor. Everybody likes doing that though for some reason. I like them in the front seat with a seat belt over them.
I think that's where it's gonna have to go.
Works really good. And if you don't have the stand on it, it works better. Because this puts big holes in your seat.
Yeah, I don't want to
Around
do
the
that.
bottom of the case does not. This part goes against the back of the seat because that will put a hole in the seat.
Yep.
This will not. So this one's pretty well done. Ready for you to go do what you want to do with it.
We gotta put the cam cover.
The cam
I mean the cam cover.
Point cover?
The head.
Did you have your screws?
I did not have screws.
Where's your screws at?
You said it came in the kit, but it didn't come in the kit.
other screws came in. I don't even have a cover anymore.
That's good.
Must
That's
be
right
here.
there, yeah.
What kind of screws do you want?
Chrome.
Chrome screws. Goes like that?
Yeah, that looks cool.
Where's your gasket?
There's no gasket.
I like the ones that go like this. There's a gasket.
It's in the gasket kit
Yeah.
that I have right over here.
Except it doesn't have the gasket we need. Where's your gasket at? What kind of cheap kit is this?
It's the one that you sold me.
Well, see, I just told you. What kind of cheap kit is this? You can't get any good anymore.
It's the one you sold me.
Well, we charge you extra now.
Made in the USA.
Here's the problem.
Oh god, now to break the bank on this 75-cent.
70, you can't buy any gasket for 75 cents.
I
Come on.
bet you.
What kind of a deal is that?
Oh.
I mean, a gasket made in Harley is 75 cents. Now you want a 2-hole or a 3-hole?
It's a 2-hole.
You want a 2 or a 4-hole?
It's 2.
Yeah, how many do you want?
Just one.
You don't make any 1-holes.
Well, I want one gasket that has 2 holes.
Oh, not 4?
That's correct.
You want a climatic?
No,
You want James?
the one that works.
See, climatic has oversized holes. James has the correct holes.
James.
Even when you got the correct 4-hole, look at the difference in hole size between the two. See, that's the problem with climatic gaskets. They don't know how to make holes the right size. See, even their 2-hole variation has too big of a hole.
That's perfect for
See
mine.
the difference in the hole size?
Yeah.
Big difference. Okay, you want this 2-hole or you want this 2-hole?
I feel like this one's nice and thick.
It's thick, crappy.
Perfect.
You like it?
Yeah.
You probably think I have the screws.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
Nice Allen ones.
Is it 32 or 24? Appears to be this one.
And it's probably the one that you're out of.
I got one in my hand. I almost only had one. I got 2. Look at that.
You might need washers.
Washers? What do you need a washer for?
I don't know.
You gonna put a lock washer in there? Crush it? Which one of these you want?
Let's do this one. It's nice and thick. I can reuse it.
The thick crappling one? Okay, the one with the big holes in it?
Yeah.
I wonder if they even line up. Look at that. It's a good thing they're big and thick. They barely line
That's
up.
what I'm talking about.
Should I put this on right side up or upside down?
Right side up.
You know, so the gasket doesn't fit in there?
Well, let's try this other gasket.
I'm working on this one right now. It's only a little bit oversized. See, the hole's too big and the gasket's too big too. It matches.
Naturally.
It doesn't fit very well.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's fitting.
I'm thinking you got the wrong gasket there. Let's try this one. Now, this is either a James gasket or it's an old CCI one. I'm not sure which.
That one works.
But yeah, it ain't in there.
Oh, damn it.
It has the same kind of problem, but it's a little closer to go in there though. So you thought this was going to be easy, didn't you? I need those Allens way down there. Probably one I'm missing too. That's not the right one. Yeah, it's the wrong one. This must be the metric one that I can't. Somebody put the metric one in my American.
Uh-huh.
Nobody has the American one. So I have to go over to my tools that nobody knows about. And nobody should be over here using them because it has all the correct ones still in it and they're like new. At least until they watch the video and they see where the secret ones are at.
Yep. The secret's out.
See, that's the correct one, see?
No washer, huh? Not needed.
Do you want an ugly washer on there?
No, it's all right. Looks good.
And if you tighten the screw up, it shouldn't fall out.
It's a good eBay repop.
I have the originals. They cost more than this one though.
Yeah.
A lot more.
Maybe I'll spring for an original when I have more money after I'm...
And I'm out of this one anyway. I got the one that's vertical.
Mm.
This is the one for a Sportster.
Oh.
But you don't run these subplates, so now it's for a big twin.
That works for me.
So if you put the subplate in there, then you can run the other one, which is vertical hole. It would work.
There it is.
Perfect. It almost looks like a Harley motor.
It sure does.
Did you figure out what you're gonna do up here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna order something
Ugly?
something cool.
Yeah. And all this has got to come out here up here because we're not going to use any of this shit up here. We use some kind of a cable that goes directly in there.
Ah, okay.
Did you figure out what throttle you're going to use yet?
Not yet.
Okay, so we'll leave this here until you figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
See, it has an adjuster in there, but that only works for the universal stuff that nobody seems to use anymore. But back in the 70s, it was common.
Gotcha.
Not the 70s anymore.
Nope. 2017.
Close enough.
All right.
Okay, what do you want to do next to it? Drop it on the floor?
Look at it.
Look at it? Put it in your front seat?
Yeah.
All right, so this one's done. Now we gotta work on this one.
Yep. This other pile of this other POS.
The twin.
Yep. And then, for me, it's this guy to rebuild this son of a bitch. A tranny.
I think you need fresh tranny. It looks better.
No.
Is that the ugly air cleaner you're gonna use?
Could.
That is a really high flow item there.
A lot of flow there, but whatever. But yep, that's it.